News 46 is brought to you in part by...
Are you a 3 everyday mom? A significant number of children and adolescents fall short of the calcium they need. Researchers suggest consuming just 3 servings every day of milk, cheese, or yogurt to help reduce body weight and body fat. Milk contributes the most calcium and protein per 100 calories and per penny, making milk a nutrient-rich and cost-effective component for meals. Don't compromise your family's calcium intake, decrease their risk of fracture, and build lifelong healthy habits. Become a 3 everyday mom today. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.
I was named last Tuesday. Actually, Governor Sandoval had called me last Thursday and told me, but asked me not to tell anyone until they could make all the proper notifications.
Wonderful. Tell me what the process was like to the interview process.
The interview process was really quite an experience. First, there's a pretty sophisticated application. The public sees about half of it, and then there's another portion. Took me probably about 100 hours to prepare. And then you are interviewed by the Committee on Judicial Selection that consists of 9 members, part attorneys, part business individuals that are appointed by the governor on a permanent basis, and then 2 individuals, 1 attorney and 1 lay person are appointed temporarily by the governor for the district.
And when are you actually going to be taking your position?
Not quite sure. It will probably be within the next 30 days. I'm meeting with Judge Lane. I have an active private practice, a litigation practice, and so it's important to me that all the matters are wrapped up and I can be focused 1,000% when I take the bench.
So tell me about the practice. You're out of Las Vegas, but you do have a home here as well in Pahrump.
Yes, I do. I have a business and employment litigation practice, but I'm a small-town girl. And I bought a home here in Pahrump approximately 5 or 6 years ago, and I come out and relax on the weekends. I like to bicycle. I just like to be myself.
And you come originally from Nebraska?
I do. I come from western Nebraska, a small town in western Nebraska of approximately 15,000 people. And actually, I have been in Nevada longer than I've lived anywhere else. I lived 20 years in Nebraska, from 5 to 25. And then I went to Colorado and practiced law for a couple years. And in 1989, I moved to Nevada and have been here ever since.
There you go. And the Huskers.
I am a huge Husker fan. From all my education is in Nebraska. Season football ticket holder. Love football. If you see me, I'll be happy to talk about college or pro football. Love football.
So you're going to move everything over here to Pahrump when you actually take the bench?
Yes, I am, and that's part of the transition for me is making Pahrump my primary residence, and then depending on the workload, I may also get an apartment in Tonopah.
So what are some of the things that you're looking forward to once you're taking the bench?
Well, you know, one of the things and one of the reasons I think that Judge Sandoval, or I'm sorry, Governor Sandoval, I call him Judge Sandoval, I actually appeared in front of him a few times. I have a little different background than many of the candidates, and so, and having practice law in 3 different states, I see some innovative programs. So working with Judge Lane, I hope to institute a program of mediation. I think mediation is a very effective means of resolving cases early, and it's a lot less expensive for the litigants.